just like that. Okay, today we're gonna open this phone that's known as Honor. Oh, that is the phone that we're gonna open. And to open this phone, you just need to go these markings. I already opened some of it. I'm gonna restart it. Stick this one in there. And this is the back side. Okay, so I already got that. So we're gonna see what's inside. Mostly there's a cable around here, right? So I'm gonna be careful. Wherever you see the camera is close by, you can easily run into a wire or a cable. So be careful. And look at it. There's nothing on this side. Mostly here. It's all blue. Okay. What you know? So there's no cable in between this cover and the phone. Nothing. It's just straight to the phone. But I can see there's okay. Let's keep that aside. So what is next is our battery. We're gonna disconnect the battery, right? By opening this.
Yeah, how to remove this one?
What is this? This charging plate or the motherboard?
The motherboard.
So we're gonna open first this casing, the white casing, and let's see. To access the battery. Oh, this is Huawei. What is called?
Huawei.
Okay, that is the phone made in China.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's go ahead and open it.
It has a network problem.
So
And we are going to check the
internet.
internet. We are going to check the inside whether the cable is okay.
So the reason we are opening this phone, it has network issue. So we're gonna open it and we're gonna find out if the cable is connected well or if there's disconnection. We can see there's someone open before us, right?
Yeah.
Because I can tell this blue.
Yeah.
Anyway. Even the screws are kind of loose.
Yeah.
Someone just opened and didn't do them tight. Or maybe someone stripped the holes and placed it. So I do not know why this is seems tricky. I got okay. Now the cover I can easily pop it up.
Yeah.
Although some of the screws did not come off, we're gonna try just to taking with one of them just fall in there. And I already.
That one has no problem.
Okay. Must be something hidden here. So you gotta take off some of the glues in case there's you can view it. Okay, there's a hidden one here.
Yeah.
Oh, it comes off with the camera.
Yeah.
Or even this case, this comes with it, or it's separate.
This one comes with this.
Okay, let's try using.
No, that one you use your phone.
You don't need that.
No.
But this one is already broken separately.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep it aside. The two screws holding it still. Just keep rotating. Anyway, finally I got it off. Okay, so where is the network cable that we want to look at?
This here.
Where?
This one.
So you just removed the battery?
Yeah.
Or was it off?
No, it was on, but
you took it off?
Yeah.
Before me?
No.
Huh? It was there?
It was there, but when you put in this one.
Oh, it came off with the other casing. Okay.
Yeah.
So to separate, you gotta disconnect the battery first. To do that, just need to pop it up. And what is the chini one? What is that lower one? Is that the screen?
Yeah, this one is the charging cable.
Charging cable.
Yeah.
What is the one I took off? This one? Is
This
that
one is
charging
the
cable
battery.
too? That's the battery, and that's charging cable which goes to the motherboard.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is the screen cable.
The screen cable. Okay. And that's screen cable.
Yeah.
This is screen cable.
Yeah.
And that's screen cable. This is screen cable. This charging cable, and this is the battery cable.
Yeah.
So at least we have some idea of what we are doing on this phone, right? So the network cable is right here. Is
Yeah.
this one?
Yeah.
So this is it inserted well? I don't see any issue.
First remove it, then
We can put it back.
Yeah.
Okay. I took it off.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna put it back.
Yeah.
So that's the reason we opened the whole phone. So I'm gonna just insert this cable back.
But you have to hold it
With your own hand.
With your hand, the phone.
Okay.
Hold it,
Hold the phone with your hand and straight it up. Okay, I have confirmed.
Because when you put it here, you can easily break the screen.
Yeah, okay. So that's one tip.
Yeah.
So I placed it there. I confirmed.
Yeah, this side is okay. Let us open here.
Let's go ahead and check on the charging plate.
Yeah.
And to do that, over the charging plate there are a lot of glues on it.
Yeah. Put
There's
a
no
lot
screw
of
there. No screw there. Mostly there's something hidden here.
No,
Nothing.
nothing. Nothing, because you see there.
Okay.
The screw is supposed to be here.
Oh yeah, okay. Good. So we might be lucky just to pop it up. There's a lot of glues over. Yeah, I can see the
wire.
cable is right there.
Yeah.
We gotta be careful, right?
Yeah.
See, this person has placed a lot of glues there. A lot of glue.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't have the right tool to use this, but I'm gonna use my tweezer. We need those surgical blade, surgical.
Surgical blade, the
What is it?
iPad tool.
iPad tool. Is that the iPhone or the iPad?
No, it's like a surgical blade, but
So yeah, or it's made that way.
yeah.
We need those tools then. Tiny phone screws. Okay, so this one I'm just gonna force it.
Yeah.
But because of the glue, you cannot even do much. You have to just remove those glues. There's glue everywhere.
There's
There's
no
a hole,
even-
but there's no screw. It looks like it was covered, but there's nothing in it.
They just use the glue to fix it.
To hold the whole thing. Okay, now I have to force it.
That's how some make mistakes.
Some people, they can end up making this kind of mistake. That's why I need to practice right in front of the instructor for me to avoid messing up another phone, another person's phone.
Yeah.
The person may not know what you have done inside of the device, but they will be informed in the next repair.
Yeah.
And then you will be liable for follow-up. The customer can even be mean to you, so you gotta do what you need to do correctly. Let me just
Yeah.
not having the right tool also can fail you at any time. So let me stick this inside to take the glue off on the other side. I know I'm supposed to. Okay. Now can I use the home dry, the liquid? Since it's a lot of glue.
Let's see. The screw.
This screw seems very stubborn. Couldn't take it off. Get the camera. Look at it. Let's try some of this home dry to get rid of this stop-on glue. Okay. Yeah, it's going in. Finally, it came off. But I feel like dropped something, like click somewhere.
Maybe the screw.
Okay. Okay, so you check it now. Hold it. The cable, where did it go?
You see?
Oh, the internet cable.
Yeah.
Okay, hold it. Let's show let you show us. Okay, so you can see that cable was not even hooked into it.
Yeah.
So that was the reason the phone wasn't receiving any network. Good. Now, hold it and let me insert it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and find out what's inside there. Everything is correct, but it just needs to be inserted right.
Yeah.
And you have to feel it with your own fingers. That's the only way to confirm this cable. It's very tiny.
Yeah.
Anyway it goes is a specific place. So let's just put the charge. Why this is dancing? Is that broken too?
No, that one has no problem.
Okay.
This one just covers this charging
Okay,
port.
great. Okay. So where's my tool pot? The charging plate? Is this the charging plate?
No,
Huh?
that one has the speaker. It
Okay.
just covers the charging plate. It is this one.
See, you were not even holding it straight. Okay, so this is, what is it called? The speaker on it? What else?
This one has only the speaker.
Only the speaker.
Yeah.
And it goes right here.
Yeah.
The speaker will line
it
up.
also covers the charging plate.
Oh, it is above the charging plate,
Yeah.
and it has only sticker on it, this whole piece, black
And
piece.
these ones, they are the connectors for the speaker.
Connectors
those two.
for the speaker, but I can only see one, and the other one is,
This one.
oh yeah, those two,
Yeah.
the plus and minus.
Yeah.
Okay.
And they connect on these terminals here. This one and this one.
Oh, these two.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're talking about back up, go back. So that is what we're talking about, those two terminals. Can't see it, back it up, yeah, like that. And then these two terminals will line up over this two cables, right? So, and we're gonna insert it right here. And no, it's wrong.
The other way.
The other way.
No.
That's not.
It has to face down, does it?
Okay, it has to insert.
These ones have to face down like.
Oh, okay. See, big mistake.
Yeah.
So we're gonna face the speaker up, and it will go right there.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna be using the previous glue and the correct.
And this, you see this cable, the charging cable, it also transfers the voice from this speaker to the motherboard, from the mouthpiece to the motherboard. This one.
So what it does, it transfers power,
The voice
the voice of, from the motherboard
from the
to
main
the speaker.
to the motherboard, from the mouthpiece to the motherboard.
Oh, okay. The mouthpiece also is located here.
Yeah, it is here on this.
Oh, okay. These dots,
move
these
this one,
holes, right?
Let's move this one.
Okay, let's move that back. The mouthpiece also located
It
here.
is here. It is this one.
This tiny thing.
Yeah, that one is
This
the
tiny thing looks like I see.
Yeah.
It's let's look deep into it, guys. Don't worry about it. So this is the mouthpiece.
Yeah.
Very tiny. Okay.
The mouthpiece.
Let's take out. Okay. So we're gonna just place it there. I know I dropped one screw.
Yeah.
And I feel like it has to clip something underneath here. This is how it should go.
Yeah.
Okay. The more you open things, the better you will be. That's
Yeah.
how you can get better. You can become a good technician.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put some screws on it. Just start one side. I clipped it very well, and the second one, it seems that this black one belongs to this top. I don't know where I put in my magnet. I put it somewhere else.
The magnet.
Yeah, I put it in the house. I was working on a laptop, so I put it there. Now I have placed two. Right now I'm gonna place one more. It seems like I dropped few screws. I'm gonna search it. This one must be because it's over the speaker. I think I can leave that alone this way, right?
Yeah.
So
But
now
here, you see the connectors are here.
so this must, you have to press this down.
Yeah.
But I put it this one. I'm gonna add one more. So
Yeah.
so above the connectors, you have to make sure that you place something that will press them firmly into where they're connected. Okay, so let's get that. So should I add one more?
No.
That's enough. Okay. Now it's time to put what we took off, which was the casing.
I have
So-
to put this ones
Oh,
back.
okay. Let's get in. Zoom this on. Back. Okay, let's connect the connectors correctly. You have to make sure you line them up. Don't just press hard and break or bend any connectors. Okay, so you gotta be extra careful. Can't show you that on the camera. My hands were on the way. Okay. And this one,
Another one. This one.
there's another one too. So let me just press. You gotta pull it back a little bit for you to line it up. Yeah, it's lined up so good. And this one,
Then
that's for the battery, right?
Yeah.
So I confirmed each one of them sitting right. And
the battery should be the last to connect.
okay, so I should not jump on the battery until I finish the other ones.
Yeah.
Okay, are we done at the moment?
Should be the last.
The last
but
thing
when
to
you
insert.
disconnecting, it should be the first.
Okay.
Yeah.
So as the instructor says, the first thing you should be disabling when you're opening should be the battery.
Yeah.
And when you put in everything back, the last thing should be the battery.
Yeah.
Okay, first and then last. Okay. Just remember that, guys. That's what you need to do, because otherwise you can blow the whole motherboard and it can burn. Even there's a screw sticking out. Let me look back here. Anything on my way? Nothing. The cable that we came for is placed well.
Yeah.
Okay. So the more repairs you handle, the more you will be careful and well. You know, you gotta also press over the camera for it to settle right. So now this piece has broken, and we can also reuse it.
Yeah.
Okay. I can say now it is lined up.
Yeah.
It's time to insert the screws. Okay.
This one is not yet.
Yeah, that has settled right correctly.
This one, first line up very well.
This the center one. That's the first. This is the one that's holding both of them together,
Yeah.
right? Nah, it's not even that one. That screw doesn't belong here. Maybe I used the other ones in the wrong place. Should I use it here? So now I need more screws. I have 2 more here. We're gonna use the side.
First switch that one on. Then you put the screws. That's first switch.
Okay, let's switch the device and turn it on and test it. And should we? Okay, so I'm gonna power it up to see if it has. Maybe there's no power. Should we battery boost it?
No, there's power. Maybe.
Okay, I need to
Yeah.
hold this down.
I have to put here screw first.
Okay. The issue is where is the power thing? Over there. Over here, right?
Yeah.
So I don't like working without magnet. But this one we're forced to do it. We already started. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I got that. So now let's power it up. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Yeah, it came on now.
Yeah.
We all can see it on the camera right there. So let's see if the network will be working well. The customer has complained that the network wasn't working well.
Yeah.
So I also need to go and get my...
That's where the screws.
Okay, it still says Harmony OS. Okay.
We
I
can't
can see
now
still this
because
is broken, right?
I have already flashed it. I've been flashing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna keep the select the country. What country? Yeah, Kenya.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and choose our specific location. We're gonna go to the next. Skip. We don't care about it. So what we need to do now is we can connect to the network.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So I'm gonna connect without the camera now. Turn the camera away from it. So it wasn't connected, right? Go ahead, bro. You do what you need to do from now on, since you know what needs to be done, how it needs to be checked. Okay.
And this one I have to connect to the Wi-Fi.
Okay. So to connect to the Wi-Fi is needed at the moment. I'm just gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay. So we have connected the Wi-Fi. Let's see what will come up. Okay. After connecting the network, it should say, tell us now more about what you're doing here. You activate your device. Your device will network will. Okay, let's go to the next. Just click next.
It needs a computer.
Is that something wrong?
It just needs a computer.
It needs to be connected to the computer. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish the casing. Okay, we're gonna stop this video here and just we repair phones and we teach each other to learn new technique from different technicians. We have laptop technicians and phone technicians, and our main goal is to help each other, also help others learn to do things perfectly. Also, we have another phone today. What is this?
Blue.
Blue. What? This is made somewhere in which country? Blue should be somewhere. I think the one blue that I have seen in the past was from Florida in US. That's the way it's everything made. Made in US. Okay, let's see. Well, let's let you. I'm gonna open it in a different video, not this one. This one became very long already.